Okay, salam again. This is Adil here. Welcome back. This is part number 3 on how to use Netlytic. Okay, now we discussed like how to get a report, which is step number 5. So this is pretty much how you do it. And if you subscribe to tier number 3, I guess I don't think that it is expensive. You can check the prices. I think it is less than if you're a student. I don't know. Maybe I cannot tell you. Go and check it out. It's super affordable. This is what my understanding. Okay, now, but you need to know that the data set, what it has total messages like tweets. These are 942 and they are this number of users. I think posters are the people, the users are called posters. I think so. Okay. If you recall that in previous part when I downloaded here step number 4, if you remember here step number 4, I came here and I click network analysis. This is what you will need, guys. This is what you will need. If you click here, I'm just repeating that again. You can reanalyze it, visualize it, click on visualize. So what is this? This is a Mensa network. But let me just go and check here the one here down, that is a reply network. You can see it will not be as big network as the previous one because usually whenever you see Twitter, only few people actually interact and engage in authentic, true dialogue. Most of people are just, they like, they retweet. But let's click on visualize here. You can see it will be pretty much small, not dense network. You can see we only have few networks here, like not many clusters, this and this and that. But here, it's very interesting. A lot of interaction is happening here. I don't know if you can see, a lot of interaction is happening here. So let me zoom, maximize, bring it to the center and zoom. You can see all these connections. Click on this person. So this person, which is like AW, okay, you can see in degree nothing, the communication with Rayyan N, you can see نطالب بالنجاح للطلاب, there is a text here. So basically, what I want from you in your paper is very simple, to go to each cluster and tell me what is the theme, the recurring theme of interaction in that cluster, and what is happening, why they are together, who is influencer in that network, who helps to diffuse the message to other clusters between this centrality. Okay. Now, if you recall in previous part, when I came to this particular network here, when I click on export, if you recall, if I check my email, I can get GraphML, but I downloaded this file here. I downloaded Jex. If you click on this one, you get it downloaded automatically. I downloaded this. Now I will explain to you later on how to do this one. This is a network analysis. I will keep it open and we will do analysis together. But for now, let me continue recording lectures on how to download tweets. We started with tags and now Netlytic. Then I will explain other tools later. Probably Moz Day and what else? Twitter Leaks, the app that I worked on for a while, and probably SocioViz. Okay, let me go back here. Interesting, if you go back again to my data sets here, again, you can come here and click on download. Can you export data set? Again, go to my data sets. Click on this one option. It says download dataset. Let me click on that. I hope it will support Arabic, but click on download export Excel. Okay, you have two options here. Don't get confused. CSV or Excel. Based on my experience, some CSV do not support Arabic unless it was saved with CSV UTF-8. But mainly CSV does not support Arabic because many people do not save it as CSV.ft8. So go for Excel. Excel, it will always support other languages. So I will click on Excel. You see it's downloading now on the left side. Now I will click, it has finished downloading. I will click on it and yes, click on that. Okay, now you have your entire data set here. You have entire data set. Now, as you can see that the free tier at one call, you can download 1000 maximum. So, click on again, if you come here, probably you want to click Khalik Bilbayr again, the name of the data set. And then if you click again, let me see if I click on edit. I don't know if I can download 1000 more update. So I have 900 something. You guys remember? Let me click on update. Adding new records. I clicked on update. I'm adding new records. Let's see how many records I will end up with. You can see now it says I was able right now to download 953 new records. Before I had 942, now I have 953. Let me go and see how many total I have. Click on preview, the same steps I did before. Now I have 1300 something. You can see this is how you do it. You have up to 2500. But keep in mind, you might have duplicates. So I think Netlytic might give you remove duplicates. Clean text. You can click on clean. It is in beta version, but click on that. See what happens. You might have an option. Select. It's not user bio. It was a description, right? Now, yeah, do you remember what was the description? What is description? So let me just go and see. We were confused. The tweet, is it description or is it a topic? So the data set that I have downloaded, enable editing. Description is actually, see now this is description is the tweet. So if you see here that description, the column name called description is actually tweet. Click on that. You can see I can just do like this and then highlight this and then go to wrap text on top. Okay, now let me see what happens. Now I have wrapped the messages. Click on the left aligned to the left. Maybe you want right because this is Arabic actually. You see, maybe, yeah, right, because this is Arabic. Now what I want from now this one is very enough. Netlytic is super enough for some of you who are working on individual project. So what do you need to do? Do you guys remember Google Data Studio? You can use this one and upload it to your Google Drive as Google Sheet. Change the Google Drive and say whenever I upload, convert automatically to your Google Drive and it will be converted into Google Sheet. Once you have Google Sheet, you can use Google Data Studio, because we have many options. Source ID from profile. We have other options, for example, number of tweets, posts, number of people this person is following. What is her name? Fatima, I think. User followers. This person has 1000 followers. Let me zoom if you maybe, yeah. And the date user created what time. The account was created in 2019. The account, okay. You have the bio, location, Sultanate Oman, Lebanon, Al Qasim, Cairo, etc. Language. Okay, so this is what you have. You can use this data set for your Google Data Studio to create a dashboard and send it to me. Okay, this is how to use. Now you can remove select symbol which indicates code. You can remove codes. You can make it clean copy. I will let this for you to go and check the tutorial on Netlytic by yourself. One thing, if I go to new data set, it's very interesting. You can also download from YouTube. You can see you can download from YouTube. It's amazing. You have up to 3 datasets. You can download YouTube as well. Okay, let me stop here for Netlytic. Probably this is enough, and I will record another lecture on using another tool. For now, stay safe and stay at home.